Hey, biology students, it's Ms. Morse. Happy solstice. And everybody gets to celebrate solstice because it's the shortest day of the year, solarly speaking. So today you are clearly in the right place because you're watching this video. And you are going to go to the summative slide assignment. Sorry, let's see if we can scroll it up. No, maybe. Okay, so this goes with your research that you turned in already for your Milestone 1 research. Just a reminder, for the slides, every slide needs a title, so if you're talking about abiotic factors, that should be the title of your slide. Maybe you say, you know, hawkbill turtle and abiotic factors, but it needs to be, the title needs to represent what the slide is about. They should be organized in order. So slide 1 should be slide 1. It should be nice looking. Pick a nice background that is good looking but also unobtrusive. So not something, if you can't read your writing, that's not good. Stuff like that. And we will look at them a bit on on Wednesday when I see you next. And so if it's confusing, I will let you know then. They need to be easy to read. That goes with what I was just saying. And again, in order. I'm going to make a separate video about citations. For right now, you just watch the citations video afterwards. We'll go with that one. Okay, so this is going to be the checklist for grading, so essentially the rubric. Every slide has a title. Slides are in the correct order. Slides are colorful and pleasing to the eye. Slides are easy to read and understand. That's like font and all of that good jazz. And the citations are included on each slide in APA format. All right, so your first thing that you're going to do is your title slide. So it's going to say hawkbill turtle, an endangered species or a threatened species. I don't know. Make up a title. Make it nice. Make it indicative of what you're talking about. And then you're going to have a picture that is cited. If it's not cited, you're not going to get credit for it. So make sure that you cite your facts. All right, slide 2. So make a new slide. In this slideshow, at the end of this assignment, you are going to open up the slides. And the first slide is made for you, so you'll have to add a slide for slide 1 and slide 2. Actually, for slide 2, because slide 1 was already made for you. How your organism performs and meets these characteristics of life. So what is up with their reproduction? Do they lay eggs? Do they have internal fertilization? Do they, I don't know, whatever. Something specific about yours with a citation in APA format. If you want credit, you'll have a citation. Homeostasis, what is particular about them that makes them, able to meet their metabolic needs? Are they great hunters? Are they, sneaky? Are they, what is their characteristics that helps them maintain an do they have a lot of blubber? Do they have, there's lots of different ways that animals meet homeostasis. Again, with a citation. Responsiveness, how responsive, what do they do? What's an adaptation that they have to meet their environmental needs? Again, with the citation if you want credit. Third slide. Again, this goes with your research. Classification, so you have a table, that classification table, or you can just list it out. They need to be correctly classified, and the characteristics based on that. So is it in kingdom Animalia? Does that mean it's an animal, which is to say an organism that is a heterotroph that doesn't have cell walls? Something like that. That's what I'm looking for. Again, with citations, if you want credit. The last slide that you're going to make is going to list the 4 abiotic factors that has effects on your endangered species, and explain those effects, so how it influences those organisms, and a map of their territory, and it's labeled clearly. And all of this is worth 50 summative points. I'm going to need to refresh this, and if I'm going to be able to, there we go. So when you load this, it opens this PowerPoint for you. I believe for you it opens it like it would in Google Classroom, where you have this presentation and it's yours. This is slide 1. You will add 3 more slides to it, so you have all 4 slides. If you run over, say slide 3, you really feel like you need to have 2 slides for it, keep the same title and just put the same information on the second page. Keep the citations with the facts that they go with. All right, everyone must have 4 slides done on Wednesday in order to get the formative credit. If you don't have it in on Wednesday, then you're going to lose the opportunity to redo this assignment. So you must have it in and done, all 4 slides, on Wednesday so we can go over them. Okay? I hope you understand that. If you have questions, you can send me an email, but understand that I will not get back to you until Tuesday. I hope you have a happy solstice and a happy wet Monday, and I will see you guys again in person in face-to-face, not in person, on Wednesday.